Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going to a thrift store and getting the kids a couple of things. I have a small list of things that I want to get, and that's what we're gonna go do. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Right now, and I am looking at boys shoes, and they have a really good selection of shoes, so I'm really excited about that. My son is like in that weird like in between phase of shoes, so I'm gonna get him a couple of pairs, but I can't wait to show you guys everything that they have. I had such a good experience in there. I got a chance to chit chat with one of the women who worked in there, and she was amazing, and I swear it was like God knew I needed that conversation today because it hit home. And she even said the same thing, like it was just such a great conversation, and it was just nice to, you know, talk to somebody who was like-minded, and it was just a great experience, and I will absolutely go in there again. So I have a couple more errands to run, and you guys obviously are gonna go with me to run those errands. Okay, I have returned my packages, and now I get to go home and show you guys everything that I got and share the price with you. I'm so excited. I feel like I got a really good deal on everything, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get home. Children.
Can you not snatch from me?
Children, I am home. Don't forget that.
Mother! Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I have walked through the door. Are you guys ready? Because like, I'm so ready. Okay, starting over here with the socks. I got 6 pairs of socks for 25 cents each. Honestly, if you have little ones, you know, well, I'm not even gonna say you know, because if you're just unorganized with socks like I am, then you understand that buying, like, this is a deal. Being able to buy socks for 25 cents a pair, like, I'm gonna do this every time. I also got him a new passy holder. The ones that he has now are like the fabric ones, so not gonna lie, they get kind of gross and stinky because he obviously drools in his sleep, and he's one, so he drools a lot. And I do wash them, but like I felt like having a silicone one would be just much better because I can just literally rinse it off, dry it off, and we're good to go. I got him 2 pairs of shoes. He has one of the pairs of shoes on right now. It's a pair of sandals. I will put the picture in right here so you guys can see it. And then I got him a pair of these Adidas for $14.99. I also was able to get my middle daughter basically a brand new pair of Nikes for $20. Moving on over here, I got my son 3 pairs of shorts. The Nike pair was $4.99. This pair was $2.99, and then I have another, I don't know if these are Nike or not, but these were also $4.99. Then I have 2 tank tops. Both of them are a size 2. One is $1.50 and the other one is $1.99. And then I got him 2 t-shirts, both of them Nike, $4.99 a piece, and a size 2. Okay, so I got everything that I just showed you for $82.39. Here is the receipt. Such a deal. It's just with the shoes that I got for my daughter alone, the fact that they're like, they literally don't even look like they've been used, but maybe like once or twice. And they were only $20, like I said. So I feel like that is such a good deal. We are in a transition of clothes with my son. He's at that age where he's not quite wanting to wear onesies as much anymore. Thing where he plays with his belly button, and it's like a comfort thing. So he prefers to have t-shirts on. So that's my goal, is to kind of build up his wardrobe with more t-shirts and tank tops, things like that. He does not like his clothes to fit like super tight. It bothers him. So I definitely wanted to get him some loose shorts, loose shirts, things like that, so he can feel a little more free. I loved the store. So if you are in the Washington, specifically Puyallup, Tacoma area, I would absolutely suggest checking out their store. I'm going to post their information in the description box with their Facebook page and all of that, so that if you are around, you can give them, you know, a shout out, or just go by and check them out. They're really awesome and their prices are great. And as you saw from the video that I took inside the store, they have a lot of quality items, and they really take the time to prune through things, and they just want to make sure that they're giving you the best items possible for your money. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. That is all for today's vlog. I'm so glad that you guys came along with me once again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you love me just as much and you want to come back and see my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye.